We'll say that the games are going to be played in September. It's going to start. So is the climate the place you're going to have the games at? Would it be a night? Would you be able to go to the games and watch it? Is it too hot? The place you picked? Is it too cold? So is it in a desert? Welcome to the first game of the World Football League. It's 115 degrees out. Nobody's in the stands. 2 people have already died in warm-ups. You know, so I pick a place where they can play games. And it also talks about travel and stuff. People get confused with this, so we're going to help you. We're gonna look at. You want to hit the lights there, Hannah? We're going to look at the United States here a little bit. Here is a U.S. map of the baseball teams. And the major league teams, they have all the names on there and of the teams, and this is how they've done it. For example, here is this grouping right here is a division. They put them, they grouped them. You're going to take your 24 teams and put them in groups of 4. That makes sense. Here's another group of 4. This right here, here's a group of, there are actually 5, but here's another group they did. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. Then there's other ones right here, these guys right here. The blue, the ones in blue. I think he's kind of got it. But here's another group. So Major League Baseball said, let's make it so if you're a Cardinal fan, you can drive to Chicago. You can drive to Milwaukee to see your team. You can drive to Cincinnati. Pittsburgh made it a little hard, but hey, they're in a similar time zone over here. They can watch it when they play each other. They can watch their games at the same time the games are on. And so that kind of makes sense. It said, give your conference and division, give your divisions a name. So Major League Baseball said, okay, all the ones I circled, they're going to be what's called the National League. Nothing fancy about that. National, the Nation League. That one's called the American League. So National League, and they'll just call this one the NL. They'll call this the NL West. Because why? It's in the West. They'll call this one over here the East. Why is that? It's in the East. This one's called, you know what this one's called? Central. So the Central. So that's they put them in groups that make sense. And so when we check your WFL, and you pick 24 teams, did you put them in groups of 4 that make sense for distance and travel? That would make sense. Yeah, it kind of makes sense to put those in group of 4. If we grade your WFL, and you have and you take this team, say, you know what, I'm going to put this team way over here. Well, that doesn't really make sense. You look at that, it doesn't even look right. And why would you put them with a group of other things nearby? Yeah.
Isn't the Rangers with the Mariners, like, how far they're apart?
Yeah, well, let's look at that one. See, got these guys. Who else you want them to be with? Because these guys, this is the American League. This is a group of American League. Then I guess you could put them up here too. But that's not too bad, is it? Yeah, I mean, it's not going to be perfect, but it's pretty good. Pretty good. So hit the lights there, Hannah. So that's number 2.